Hello everyone, welcome to Krishi Mitra channel. I am Surya Prakash Yadav. This platform is mainly created for the aspirant of SRF and GRF and other various competitive exam, and I am here with series of 20 questions. So my first question is, which of the following is related to epicenter? And the options are volcano, cyclone, earthquake, and all of these. So first of all, what is epicenter? Epicenter is the point of sudden movement or point of disturbance that can be clearly seen in earthquake. So the right answer will be earthquake. The next question is the highest grade of coal containing maximum percentage of carbon, and the given options are peat, bituminous, lignite, and anthracite. And we know that the peat is lowest quality of coal that has least calorific value, and anthracite is highest grade of coal that contain maximum percentage of carbon and having highest percentage of carbon. So the right answer will be anthracite. The practice of horticulture is most widespread in temperate, subtropical region, Mediterranean region, and equatorial region. So the correct answer is Mediterranean region, because the Mediterranean region is characterized by hot and dry summer, humid and cool winters that are most favorable for the cultivation of horticultural crops. Which of the following is related to fazandas? Fazandas were more popular back in 16th to 18th century, and these are the extensive coffee plantation in Brazil. NABL and DPIIT operates under. NABL is National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratory, and DPIIT is Department of Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade. These both operate under Ministry of Commerce and Industries. Don't be confused with Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So the correct answer will be Ministry of Commerce and Industry. National Biodiversity Authority is situated in, and the options are Hyderabad, Delhi, Chennai, and Kolkata. In the given question, you will be confused in Delhi and Chennai. The National Biodiversity Authority is in Chennai, but if the question will be like National Biodiversity Board, it is situated in Delhi. So read the question carefully. Natural gas is a mixture of gas that mainly contain. We know that the natural gas contain ethane, propane, butane, and other hydrocarbons. So from the given options, butane and isopropane, methane and higher hydrocarbon, methane, hydrogen and carbon dioxide, and methane only. So from the given option, methane and higher hydrocarbon will be the correct answer. Next question. Eco mark in India is given to product which is. The first option is economically viable, environment friendly, both A and B, pure and unadulterated. Eco mark has nothing to do with the economics of any product. This is mainly focused with environment friendly. So the right answer will be environment friendly. Multi-purpose river valley project are new temples of modern India. The statement is made by, and the options are Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, and Dadabhai Naroji. So the right answer will be Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following is the three R regarded as environment friendly? And the options are reduce, restrict, and recycle. Reduce, reuse, and rebuild. Reduce, restrict, and recycle. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. And the option number D is the correct answer. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Insect resistance in cotton plant have been genetically engineered by inserting gene. We know that the gene inserted from Bacillus thuringiensis, that is BT. So the right answer will be bacterium. GIS stands for Geographical Information System, Geographic Information System, Geological Information System, and Global Information System. The question seems to be very easy, and most of the time the student get confused in geographical and geographic, but the correct answer of this question is B, option number B, Geographic Information System. So read carefully the options. Diameter of coronavirus in the range of, according to the published literature from the various scientific background, it has been found that the least diameter of coronavirus is around 60 nanometer, and the highest is in the range of 140 nanometer. So the correct answer will be 60 to 140 nanometer. Irani Trophy is related to which of the following sports? And the options are cricket, football, hockey, and table tennis. And the correct answer is cricket. BPT 5204 possessing three genes for blast resistance, and the options are PI54, PI1, PI65, PI54, PI1, PITA, PI54, PI1, PI65. The options are very confusing, so remember PI54 and PI1 and PITA is the correct answer. BPT 504 is a variety of rice that is mainly popular as Samba Mansuri. So the next question is, a separate department of fishery is created in, and the options are February 2019, February 2020, March 2019, April 2018, and the correct answer is February 2019. Fisheries sector contribute around 1.1% of GDP and 5.15% of agriculture GDP. So central government has decided to make a separate department for all inland and marine fisheries. India is targeting renewable energy source of 175 gigawatt by 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025. From the given options, 2022 is the right answer. Actually 175 gigawatt is the total amount of renewable energy that India is targeting, in which 100 gigawatt is from solar energy, 60 from wind, and 10 gigawatt from biogas, and 5 from hydropower. The highest and lowest availability of milk per capita is in, we all know that the 375 gram per capita of milk is available in India, but the highest milk availability is in the state of Punjab and Assam. In Punjab, around 1120 grams of milk is available per capita, whereas in Assam it's only 71 gram per capita. The rapid diagnostic lamp assay stands for, the options given are loop mediated isothermal amplification, low media isothermal amplification, loop alternative mediated isothermal amplification, loop amplification mediated protocol, and the correct answer is loop mediated isothermal amplification. Recently, the LAMP assay is used for the detection of Talicia indica, and it is widely used for the detection of other viral diseases. Thank you, and stay connected to get the benefit of upcoming video. Please share and subscribe this eKrishi Mitra channel.